This is the blizzard. Woo! Pues no me importa, corre, vente. Okay. It's really bitter cold. That snow is coming down hard. Woo! 4 feet of snow in this area right here because of snowdrifts, see? And it's just coming down pretty intense. You can see it coming down like this.